ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the world you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming at you with another unboxing. Today's unboxing is a pretty special one, guys. Now, this has been one that's been in the works for a little while now. Now, I'm not getting paid by this company. I'm not getting sponsored, none of that. They did, however, send in some swag, which I do appreciate, and of course, I've already been wearing. Now, this is an unboxing directly from Ernst Benz. Quick wristwatch check. I am indeed wearing that Smiths that George sent in. Still enjoying that while I can. Look for a full video coming up with that. For a little idea I have with this and a couple other pieces. But again, like I said, I'm not getting paid by the brand. I'm going to give my honest review. As always, the brand was kind enough to send these pieces in. Now, these are 3 pieces from Ernst Benz. If you remember a while back, if you look back in my archives, I did a review of an Ernst Benz, the 18th parallel, I believe it was called, with the parchment paper style dial, which is pretty cool. Now, Ernst Benz is a little known company, guys, and I kind of want to bring them out to the front there, because a lot of people don't really know about the company, which is really sad because it's a really cool company and they do have a lot of history. I've spoken with the owner directly, Leonid. He really cool guy. You could tell when you talk to him on the phone, guys. He's really passionate like me about watches, and that's what I like, and that's why I can get behind this brand. Like I said, set up the tour, but with my buddy Ross Galen. As you guys know, I've had him on my live streams before, guys. Really cool guy. Set up a tour with Ross with a bunch of other YouTubers, so these will be making their rounds around, and everybody will show and give their own opinion on these watches, guys. He sent in, now Leonid was kind enough to send in a little note here, guys. Appreciate it, Leonid. Now, what they want us to do is they want us to, and they did send this in, little journal here, which is pretty cool. But what they want us to do, they want us to autograph this box with this custom watch case, which was made by a gentleman of the name of Hong Dat, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong down there, Leonid. Ross, whenever you guys watch this. But I believe this case was handmade by a gentleman of the name by Hong Dat. You guys probably seen him in the Facebook groups. They made this just especially for this tour, which is really cool. So we're all going to, in the end, autograph it and pass it on to the next guy, and he'll autograph it, so on and so forth. Like I said, there's probably about 9 YouTubers that are going to be involved in this tour, which is pretty cool. Kind of get the spread the name out, the brand, guys. And again, like I said, this is a pretty cool enthusiast brand, and these are different pieces from what you normally see. They sent in 3 different, of course you can see the company logo here, guys. They sent in 3 different versions of their chrono lunars, 3 different sizes. And these are really cool watches, especially for what they are. And alright, we'll do the unboxing here. You can see the case is really nicely made, guys. Now, of course, it's got the Ernst Benz inside here. You can see that. And again, like I said, they sent in 3 different versions of the chrono lunar. This is the 47mm version, which is quite a big boy, but I will show you in the review that it doesn't really wear too bad for its size, guys. And I believe this is the 43mm, 44. I'll have to look back at the papers, guys, whenever I do the full review. And this is the 40. Now, I've been drawn more. Now, these came in on Christmas Eve, believe it or not. They overnighted it, guys. So they were delivered on Christmas Eve, which was pretty cool to receive these. And again, I've been kind of more drawn to this one, believe it or not. Like, I usually not a big fan of gold on watches. I don't know if it's just because I'm getting a little bit older, maybe. I kind of like a little bit of gold these days on watches. I used to like more of a stainless steel silver kind of look. But I've been drawn more to this guy here in the middle with the gold. And as you can see, it is a moon phase watch, guys and gals. And it is indeed a GMT watch chronograph. It does come with the alligator leather strap, which is really nice, guys. These are, of course, made in Switzerland. And again, these are really high quality made pieces, guys. It is really cool, and it is a really great opportunity to be able to work directly with a brand. And I hope to do more collaborations in the future, guys, with this brand. Because like I said, they do have a lot of cool enthusiast-inspired pieces. And like I said, when you speak to Leonid, the owner, or when I have spoken to him, you can definitely tell he's passionate about watches. He's been around the industry for a while, and he knows his stuff when it comes to watches. And like I said, you can just tell the passion whenever you talk to him, which is really cool. And like I said, that's a brand I can kind of get behind. So that's definitely pretty cool. And here is the 47mm black and yellow. If you're a Steelers fan, this is pretty cool. Now, again, like I said, Ernst Benz does make all kind of different cool pieces. They have kind of automotive-inspired ones as well. They have one that they had, I believe they had a limited edition Dan Marino version, which Dan Marino is one of their ambassadors, which is pretty cool if you guys are into football. And again, like I said, this is that kind of black and yellow, kind of almost like if you're a Steelers fan, this would work perfect for you. Of course, you know I'm a Browns fan. But again, guys, it is really cool and interesting to see these pieces, especially coming directly from the brand. Like I said, great opportunity for the channel and a lot of other channels to work directly with a cool brand. I think it's pretty cool that they're doing this. I do believe that they are going to auction these off after the tour for charity. So look for that, guys. And like I said, look for the full review of these guys coming up soon. Like I said, these are really killer pieces, especially for what you get. I feel like if these had Jaeger LeCoultre or something like that on the Dow, these would be $20,000, $30,000 pieces all day long, guys. But again, like I said, this is a relatively newer brand, I feel like. They do have a lot of history, though, guys. But like I said, this is a cool brand, and I like the story behind it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Have you guys heard of Ernst Benz? Or have you thought about buying an Ernst Benz before? Let me know what you guys think of the watches down below in the comments below. I'd like to hear your feedback. As always, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, as I do come out with videos daily like this, whether it be unboxings, full reviews, topic videos, live streams. I've got a live stream coming up tomorrow with a buddy of mine, Ariel. Should be going over his collection. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.